everyone, I'm Leslie and welcome to my channel. I'm a seed bead artist and designer, and on this channel I'm going to be showing you how to make some of my favorite and most popular designs. I'm pretty camera shy, so I'd much rather show you some photos of my work than myself. I love working with seed beads, and delicate beads in particular. There are so many shapes you can make, and I enjoy challenging myself to create contemporary, beautiful, and super wearable designs. I have a background as a jewelry designer, and I've been working with seed beads for over 20 years. I've been making jewelry out of seed beads for about 8 years, and I sell my work online at my website and at craft shows in the Northeast. Please let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for the projects you've seen here, or if you have any suggestions for future projects or what you'd like to see on this channel. And thank you so much for visiting.